Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Zaraz Car. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated cars of the year, the 2024 Lotus Emira. This isn't just any car, it's a symbol of Lotus-rich heritage, a bridge between its glorious past and its electrifying future. Exterior design, where do we even begin? The Emira is a feast for the eyes. Its design is inspired by the iconic Evia, with a low, wide stance and a profile that screams performance. But it's not just about looking fast. The Emira actually is fast, thanks to its aerodynamically optimized bodywork that generates significant downforce. Interior, step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that's both comfortable and functional. Premium materials like Alcantara and leather create a luxurious atmosphere, while the driver-focused layout ensures everything is within easy reach and control. The tech is impressive, too, with a digital instrument cluster and a central touch screen providing all the information and entertainment you need. But the real magic of the Emira lies under the hood. You have two engine options to choose from: a 360 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder for those seeking thrills on a budget, and a 400 horsepower supercharged V6 for the ultimate driving experience. And let me tell you, this V6 is a masterpiece. It delivers explosive power with a growl that's pure automotive music. Behind the wheel, the Emira is pure joy. It's light, agile, and incredibly responsive. The steering is precise, the suspension provides excellent feedback, and the brakes are simply phenomenal. This car begs to be driven hard, and it rewards you with an experience that's both thrilling and exhilarating. The 2024 Lotus Emira is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to Lotus's commitment to building cars that are not only fast and fun to drive, but also beautiful and luxurious. This is a car that will be remembered as a legend, marking the end of an era and the beginning of a new electric one. If you're looking for a car that will put a smile on your face and leave you breathless, then the Emira is the one for you. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and test drive the Emira today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. And be sure to share your thoughts on the Emira in the comments below.